Hello! Today in the lesson we will solve examples where we will apply the properties of degree with a natural exponent. Let's analyze the following example where we will see that these properties are convenient to apply in order to get the correct answer. An example would be 1.2 raised to the power of 40 multiplied by 1.2 raised to the power of 25 and multiplied by 1.2 raised to the power of 4. This product needs to be divided by 1.2 tenths to the power of 59 multiplied by 1/2 tenths to the power of 8. As you can see, to find the value of this expression, we need to calculate the value of the numerator and divide by the value of the denominator. When solving this example, it's inconvenient to add the powers of 40, 25, 59 and 4. So, first of all, we're going to apply the first property to the numerator. Even though there are 3 multipliers in the numerator, we can apply the first property, but first of all, we need to pay attention to the bases. The first multiplier is 1/2 tenths, the second multiplier is 1/2 tenths, and the third multiplier is 1/2 tenths. Therefore, I can write the numerator as 1/2 tenths. And 40 add 25 and add 4. We will apply this same property to the denominator. But first, let's turn our attention to the bases. They're equal, so I'm writing 1/10 to the power of 59 plus 8. In the numerator, 1/10, 2/10, 40 plus 25 is 65 and plus 4. The result is a 1 unit 2/10 to the degree of 69. In the denominator, 1/02 to the degree of 67. Notice, we've simplified our expression, but in our last step, we need to divide 1/10 of 2/10 of a power of 69 by 1/10 of 2/10 of a power of 67. We can apply our second property even though this action is written with a fractional dash. But we know that the fractional dash is a division sign, so I can write 1/10 of 2/10 to the power of 69 divided by 1/10 of 2/10 to the power of 67. And then I apply the second property. To do this, I subtract the exponents of the degree and I get 1/10 to the degree of 69 minus 67. In the answer, we get 1/10 of 2 to the power of 2. Now, if you'll notice what the answer is, 1/10 of 2 to the power of 2, but we can calculate the value of 1.2 tenths of 2. To do this, I need to multiply 1/2 tenths by 1/2 tenths, and the answer is 1.40, 400ths. We can apply the properties of powers to simplify an expression and then find its value. Let's solve another example where the exponents of the degree are letter expressions. To do this, I'm going to write 3 to the power of multiply by 3 to the power of y and multiply by 3 to the power of z. Even though the exponents of the degree are written as variables, we can apply the properties of degree. To do this, I'm going to write this expression is 3 to the power of x plus y and plus z, which will be our answer. We're going to use these properties to solve practical examples, and for today our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.